in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, real quick, if you guys want to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below. The support's been so unreal. Appreciate that so much. Also, where is it? Right here. There we go. You guys were so close. Last video, or a couple videos ago, I told you guys if you get 2,000 thumbs up within the day, we're giving away this real gold ring, bro. It's like a nugget ring. Pretty cool. It's pretty sick. Y'all were close, but we gotta get it. You guys showed me you could do it, so if you guys want to try again this video, 2,000 thumbs up, comment down below. By the end of 24 hours, if you guys get it, this is going away to one of you guys. Thank you so much. Now, we have a word from our sponsors. Now, I'm real excited to announce we are actually working with LetyShops. In today's video, as you guys know, I'm a huge online shopper, and this is going to be great for any of you guys that purchase anytime online, because what LetyShops is exactly is it's a free service that you can use via website down below. They have an app. They also have website extension that allows you to purchase off of over 2,000 different retailers that goes through their website, such as big websites like AliExpress. We have Nike, Macy's, Walmart, Best Buy, Microsoft, Samsung. Now you can actually get up to 30% off cash back on your purchases through the websites they work with. You get money back for the orders you'd probably be making anyway. The way that this actually works is LetyShop is actually paid commission off of these websites for obviously bringing in sales, and from there they actually share some commission with us, meaning that we get some money back. Now all you need to do is click the link down below, sign up real easily, and once you've got an account, from there it's actually going to take us to the home page. So as you guys can see, we could go electronics, home appliances, clothing, da-da-da-da-da. And here is a bunch of what they have and many, many more. What we're actually gonna do is try it today. We're gonna go to clothing and shoes. Obviously fall's coming up, and I wanna see what kind of websites they actually work with. ASOS for 3.25% cash back. We have Zappel, 13% cash back, and I think I'm gonna shop with that. I've never heard about them, but that's a big cash back. From there you click, and it's gonna take you right to the Zappel website or whatever website you're working with, and from there you purchase regular, and you will get cash back at the end. Alright, so I just made my purchase. It was around $30 for a jacket, and as you guys can see in the top corner right here, there's $3.09 cash back, just like that. Go register to LetyShops down below, and if you guys do that with the link, you'll get a free premium account of 30+% back your purchases for the first week using that link. Once again, LetyShops, we really appreciate you. This is very cool. I'm very excited. Have fun now online shopping. You got a good excuse to spend a little more money. So I don't know if that's good for you or not, but for me, I'm pretty stoked about it. Thank you, LetyShops. We got a special day. We're bringing her back, boys. We're bringing back probably my favorite series I've ever done on the channel. One of them. We used to do this years ago, and I've been getting a lot of people asking me to continue it. Took a break from it. We got to bring it back. I'm so stoked, and the reason also is because you guys have been hitting me up on Instagram tons with a lot of Instagram ads. But a lot of you guys, unless you're like real OG, probably don't know what I'm talking about. So here's how the series goes. I guarantee, man, if you guys have Instagram, you've seen ads that pop up. Now, a lot of these ads that pop up, I don't know if you're just sneakers, but a lot of them are like, get these Yeezy sneakers for 20% off, for like $60, or get this jewelry for da-da-da-da-da price. Now, the thing with a lot of these ads is most of them like come from China, and a lot of them can be knockoffs, and that's why they're selling for so cheap. However, in this series, we have also found a lot of these ads that are selling these things for a lot cheaper than they should be, and we found ones that are actually legit. So it's a series where we buy off the ads that seem too good to be true, and by the end of the video, with my expertise, which is nothing, it's actually frick all. Didn't really know how to finish that sentence without being honest. Then we try to figure out by the end of the video if it's real or legit, and if this was actually a good deal, or the people on Instagram, if they're just trying to get your money and scam you. So what we're dealing with today, tons of you, my Instagram's right here if you want to send me ads that you see. Tons of you guys tagged me on this, which made me want to bring back this series. What everyone was saying is, bro, there's 24 karat gold jewelry that these people are selling, and all of the pieces, or most of them, are around $30. Now, if you guys know 24 karat gold jewelry, that's like 24 karat gold's worth a lot. You know what I mean? It's good. It's a good thing to have. So I got a few pieces. Let's see what's up. By the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you guys if this is real 24 karat gold jewelry, or if they're just trying to punch you in the balls with a bad deal. So anyway, we got the package right here. First thing I see, we got the gold duct tape. Kind of sick, might need to buy some. But that's besides the point. Let's get into this. Sorry, but I'm using somebody's gold nugget ring to unbox it. There we go. She's still good. If anything, I shined her for you. All right, okay, let's go. So, like I say, I got each of these for 30 bucks a piece. I got 3 pieces. I gotta take the cat. Wait, what the heck? There's boxes in boxes. Okay, I'm not gonna show the front part of that because that says their name. We ain't advertising if they ain't paying, especially if they're scamming you. But then this comes in weird. It's weird. So we got 1, 2 with another top of a box, and this one comes in a bag. They're getting a little stingy, I guess. They're like 2 boxes, you're done. All right, so let's check her out. This is the first piece. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This looked a lot bigger on the website, a lot thicker. But we just got a regular Cuban bracelet right here for a freaking toddler. I'm pretty sure. Oh, no. She fits. She fits. It's Gucci. Never mind. Right off the bat, you guys are probably like, Brad, how are you gonna tell if it's gold? Well, we'll get to that. First look, man, this looks like 24 karat gold. I've seen a lot in person. Yeah, this looks good. The coloring is really nice. This is 10 karat gold, 24 karat gold. As y'all can see, it's like a lot. Damn! It's not heavy though. That's one inkling right now that we might have gotten FUCK'd. On to the next. There's only so much you can say about this. Next. All right, next up, man, we got the box. I mean, I'm not mad about the box. It makes it look a little professional. However, here's another thing. If you're getting 24 karat gold, this box should probably have like a light on it when it opens up. You know, I got like earrings one time and there was a light in the box when it opened. It was diamond earrings, super sick. What the f? Oh, no, okay. Okay, there's something here. I didn't see it first. I'm like, oh, I thought they forgot the piece. My bad. Wow, this looked a lot bigger when I bought it from their website. However, not bad, because if it was gonna be bigger, we're for sure not getting 24 karat gold. So we got a little, what the frick is that a moose or a cow? Oh, it's a lion. It's a lion, my bad. We got a lion right there, apparently 24 karat gold. One thing we didn't check on the last piece, I checked it behind the couch accidentally. We did not check if it says a 24 karat gold stamp, which it does not. Usually it has it on the clasp. The back of this is just nothing. The clasp though, however, says XP. XP on the back. Oh, I'm taking that as a sign. We're playing some Call of Duty tonight. Maybe it's double XP or something. Let's get into the last one. Of course, another box and a box. What are you doing? Sorry. Next, I hear something in here. Don't panic. Blah. Idiot! What the frick? Oh, there. Okay. No. Oh, sorry. Next one. This one I really liked, actually. As you can see, it actually said it was like a safety pin necklace. It doesn't look like safety pins now, actually, so maybe I won't wear this. I thought that was really cool, a safety pin necklace. Once again, it's supposed to be 24 karat gold. No markings on it. I think I've seen enough. Here comes the point where I educate y'all. And just keep in mind, when I educate you guys, I never claim to know anything about jewelry. I actually know less than most about jewelry. However, I know how to talk the talk, I know how to walk the walk. You know what I mean? It's all you gotta do in life. Bullshit. Anyway, so here's what I didn't tell you about this. Now, I didn't tell you at the beginning because every single person that sent me this ad said, yo, it's real 24 karat gold jewelry. This is too good to be true. Check it out. I checked it out. I'm gonna pop up on the screen right now what they said in like the description of the jewelry and why you guys were confused about it. Blow, right there. I'm probably highlighting it if I have time to do that while editing. I gotta go to dinner in a second. It says 24 karat filled jewelry. Now keep this in mind, bro. If it was solid 24 karat gold, they probably say solid 24 karat gold. You know what I mean? So right off that, when I read this time when I was purchasing, I was like, this does sound too good to be true. Right off that, you know they would say solid if it was real. So right now it's not. But what they're doing there is really, really smart wording to try to get you guys to buy this stuff and think that it actually is solid. It's really smart. Gold filled. What else does that mean? Well, I researched it today when it came in. Way after I bought it, to be honest. And let me just tell you right now, I'm gonna read it right off the Google. I searched gold filled, and here's what gold filled is. Man, these guys really tried to get you. They're not lying about it, but like that wording's a little sus. All right, is gold filled real gold? Here's the answer. The gold in 14 gold filled, oh God, you idiot. Sorry. The gold in gold filled is definitely real. There's a thick layer of real, solid gold on the outside of the brass core. That kind of sounds like gold plated, doesn't it? No, incorrect. It's a little better, actually. I can't believe I'm reading on camera right now, and I'm doing pretty well about it. It says gold-filled jewelry has 100 times more gold alloy, whatever the hell that is. It sounds like a rock thing, than gold plated. So it's like, we heard of gold plated. This is 100 times better, bro. So it's actually not that bad. We might have just found some real gold stuff. This thing is so thin right now, and this little, where's that that little thing. This thing right here, you may as well call it solid 14 karat gold, because gold-filled jewelry lasts longer and stands to wear and tear better than gold-plated. It's thicker and 100 times more thick, bro. So there's your answer. No, it's they got you on the wording, but I'm not mad about it. I would literally go out in public with this and lie to everyone saying it's 100% real. And I'm not saying you guys should do it, I don't promote it. But that's how I would rock it. Just lie through your teeth, boys, and you're gonna look real cool. You know what I mean? Back in action, we're back in the action. There's our Instagram ad for today. You guys hit me up with more. This one I came with a little bit more facts than usual, a little bit more knowledge. Most of them I really have no clue and we're left guessing, but we had to do this. So there's your little answer. Yeah, it's freaking real, boys, if you say it's real. But you may as well call it real. It's 100 times, you know what I'm saying? Than gold-plated. I don't know. That's just what I found. Blow. And also let me know if you like this series. Blow.